Hello guys, and welcome to the episode 8 of the Ethernaut challenge. This contract is titled Vault, and we are to unlock the vault to pass this level. Firstly, let's get our instance. Okay, so looking at this contract, you might think we'll find a vulnerability on this contract and get the password. But checking this contract, there's not much vulnerability. There's just a function that unlocks the contract and the constructor that locks the contract. This we can't get an answer on it, but this unlock we can, but it needs the password. Okay, nice. And we have the password, except the password is private, so we can't get it. So this password is available only in this contract. So how do we get this password? Every contract has its storage. We just need to get, since every contract has its storage and each storage is stored just like an array from index 0. We just need to get the index at index 1. Since locked is at index 0, this will be index 1. So we just need to get this. And fortunately for us, Web3 has that function. So what we have to do is to use our Web3 that MetaMask injected into our console. So we use Web3. Let me just await this. We use Web3.eth.get storage. So this function we need get storage at. I don't know if you can see this. How do one increase this shit? Okay. So okay, this is it. So get storage at, it takes two parameters, the address and the index. So the address is the instance which we created, and the index is, this is the first index 0, and the password, we need the password which is 1. So we can see the index is 1. I'm pretty sure I'll have to wrap this in a string. I can't remember. So once we do this and we try calling it, we get this, and just try something. Okay, we still get the same results. So we get these bytes, and we can call the unlock and pass in these bytes. But before we do that, let's try converting it to an ASCII characters. Let's see if it means anything. So we try also have a fields, but let's see our help section. And okay, there is no function here. So we use the Web3 input, which is Web3.utils. And we have the to ASCII, and we're passing this what we got. Let's see the results. So this is the password, a very strong secret password. We can do this. We still have the password copied in bytes, so we just have to call the unlock function, since unlock function accept bytes, and this is also already a byte. We just have to call the unlock function. We can do that using the contract dot unlock. And you can pass in the bytes in strings, pass in the bytes and call. And we confirm this. Completed, and let's see. Let's try getting lock. Since lock is public, let's try getting lock. Contract dot locked. This is what we get. Oh, this is a function. This is what we get. Shit, always forgetting to await. Okay, first, it's no more locked. We've unlocked it. So let's submit the contract. And we've completed this level 2, and it's important to remember that marking a variable as private only prevents other contracts from accessing it. They are still publicly accessible, so you can access them anywhere, just for other contracts to not access it. So in the next video, we'll talk about King. I don't know what that sounds like. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.